in my backyard again?
A model airplane, this time.
Let's go take a look.
Whoa, this is amazing. What are those?
Those are trees. They used to grow all around here. What I want more than anything is to see a real living tree.
So, Mom, do you ever know if there's like any place where I could get a real tree?
Did you jump down this tree?
What's that?
I think he did it.
You have been warned. Thanks.
Okay.
You have been warned.
So who invited the giant furry peanut?
I'll go right up your nose.
You wouldn't hit a woman?
That's a woman?